Welcome to Classic Cars Click, the place where classic cars live on and history keeps rolling down the road. We're here to bring you the best in automotive history, restorations, reviews, and the sound of engines roaring. And enjoy. Number 1. This 1966 Ford Galaxy, listed at $8,995 in Omaha, Nebraska, brings together classic style and dependable performance. Powered by a smooth inline six-cylinder engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives great. The car rides on bold aftermarket 22 inches wheels, but also includes factory rims with brand new tires for versatility. With only 67,000 miles, a clean title, and a well-kept beige interior, this full-size cruiser is ideal for weekend drives, local meets, or classic car events. A timeless Ford, ready to turn heads and cruise in comfort. Number 2. This stately 1977 Lincoln Continental Executive Sedan is available for $3,250 in Ravensdale, Washington, offering a blend of luxury and restoration potential. Despite a recent underhood fire that affected some wiring and engine bay components, the car remains reparable and retains much of its original elegance. Powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it shows just 26,932 miles on the odometer, believed to be original, and received new tires in July 2024. With its burgundy paint, matching interior, minor rust near the rear window, and a leather top with small tiers, it's a worthy classic for any Lincoln enthusiast. Number 3. Here's a classy survivor with serious presence. This 1975 Buick Lasub glass house is listed at $8,500 in Oakland, California, and has just 53,000 original miles. This four-door hardtop is a one-owner car with a single repaint in its factory color, retaining its authentic look and charm. Under the hood is a strong 354-barrel V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and it's still running excellently. The cold AC, clean California title, and exemption from smog requirements add to its appeal. A true 70s luxury cruiser, this Lasub is a rare blend of comfort, originality, and collectability. Number 4. Bold and ready to build on. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is listed at $7,500 in Muscatine, Iowa, and offers a solid foundation for a muscle car restoration. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 99,000 miles on the odometer. While it needs a new fuel tank and some work on the passenger side rear frame rail near the leaf spring mount, the body and structure remain promising. The headliner is missing, but the clean title and overall condition make it a strong candidate for a classic revival. Seller is open to cash or trades. Number 5. Sleek and barely broken in. This 1978 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 is available for $7,200 in Sterling Heights, Michigan, and shows only 852 original miles. This sharp-looking coupe has had just 2 owners and retains its aggressive black exterior paired with the iconic 5.0 LV8 engine. It's equipped with an automatic transmission, making it an easy cruiser with vintage muscle appeal. While detailed specs are limited, its low mileage and solid presentation hint at excellent preservation. Whether you're a collector or looking for a standout classic to build upon, this Mustang offers serious potential and street appeal for any enthusiast. Number 6. This 1979 Ford F-250 long bed in Lima, Ohio, is a true workhorse priced at $4,500. Featuring the Explorer package, it's powered by a 460 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, with 124,000 miles. It has recently been refreshed with a new gas tank, fuel pump, sending unit, carburetor, and 4 new tires. While the bed shows some rust, the truck runs and drives well, offering a solid base for restoration or a dependable classic hauler. Whether for work or as a project, this F-250 remains a rugged and reliable choice. Number 7. This 1967 Chevrolet Corvair Monza in Tipp City, Ohio, is a fantastic classic priced at $7,500. Powered by a 110 horsepower engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it's an enjoyable driver with numerous upgrades, including new bushings, headers, electronic ignition, and a deep oil pan. The rust-free floors were treated with POR 15, and only minor rust was addressed on the outer pillar. The sale also includes a 140 horsepower engine block, performance parts, and extra wheels. A great choice for enthusiasts. This Corvair is ready to cruise and offers plenty of potential for further upgrades and improvements. Number 8. Step back into the 50s with this stunning 1959 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, available for $8,200 in Farmington, Minnesota. Featuring a striking red exterior and a contrasting black interior, this classic beauty has 114,000 miles on the clock and is ready for its next owner. It comes with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth driving experience. Though the listing doesn't dive into specific condition details, the car's iconic design, sleek body lines, and vintage appeal make it a highly sought-after project or weekend cruiser. Whether you're a Thunderbird enthusiast or a collector, this 1959 model offers the perfect canvas to bring a piece of Americana back to life. Number 9. This 1985 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $5,300 in Hemet, California, offers a perfect mix of utility and style. With only 50,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives smoothly. Featuring an all-electric interior rated 9 out of 10 and a solid undercarriage, the dash is crack-free, ensuring a comfortable cabin, while the exterior, rated 7 out of 10, shows some rust on the hood and passenger side. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this El Camino is a great option for anyone seeking a classic ready to drive or further customize. It's a budget-friendly choice for El Camino enthusiasts or new collectors. Number 10. This 1984 Oldsmobile 88, priced at $5,500 in Grapevine, Texas, is a solid running sedan that's ready for the road. Featuring an automatic transmission and power windows, it's a straightforward, dependable classic with no major issues. The beige exterior adds a vintage touch to its timeless design, and it comes with a clean title. The seller is firm on the price and invites potential buyers to visit in person for a closer look. If you're looking for a reliable classic with minimal fuss, this Oldsmobile 88 offers excellent value and straightforward charm. Number 11. This 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air sedan, priced at $6,000 in Norman, Oklahoma, offers classic early -60s style with a reliable 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 92,000 miles, it's had recent mechanical work, including new belts, hoses, fuel tank, and tires. The floor pans are in mint condition, while the trunk has minor rust, and the interior shows some wear. It comes with a clear title, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a solid project car with a dependable foundation. This is an affordable opportunity for restoring a classic American sedan. Number 12. This 1977 GMC 1500 regular cab short bed, priced at $4,500 in Monticello, Arkansas, offers big project potential with its 350 V8 engine and TH350 automatic transmission. It runs smoothly with a new starter and battery, though the wiring requires attention as the starter continues to spin. The interior is in fair condition for its age, and the truck needs new wheels and tires. With a clean title in hand, the seller is open to trade offers. This classic pickup is a great base for anyone looking to restore or customize a vintage truck with solid bones. Number 13. 1979 Lincoln Town Car Coupe. Price, $8,995. A true classic from the golden era of American luxury. This beauty stands as a testament to timeless design and smooth cruising. Located in Linden, Kansas, and listed just 2 weeks ago by a trusted dealership, it's a rare find in today's market. With only 71,000 miles driven, the vehicle maintains its original charm and road presence. The sleek coupe body style paired with Lincoln's signature comfort makes every drive feel first class. Whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or simply looking to own a slice of history, this town car delivers with elegance and reliability. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of vintage American automotive excellence, perfectly preserved and ready to hit the road with style. Number 14. This 1985 GMC K10 4x4, priced at $5,000 in Trenton, Texas, is a solid classic project for those looking to restore a rugged ride. It runs and drives with a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, though it needs a passenger side gas tank and an AC compressor. Having been parked for some time, it's a great candidate for a full restoration with its clean title and solid foundation. The seller is open to both trade and cash offers, making this K10 an ideal project for someone looking to revive a square-body GMC and enjoy its classic charm. Number 15. This 1970 Volkswagen Squareback, priced at $5,700 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, is a rare air-cooled classic that's perfect for daily cruising. Powered by a 1,600 cubic centimeters engine, dual Webers, Pertronix ignition, and a Hurst shifter, it runs smoothly with a manual transmission. Only one small rust spot is noted, and the car comes with a variety of extra parts, including bumpers, window rubbers, and upholstery. Mechanically sound and regularly driven, it's ready to hit the road. The owner is parting with it to make room for a restored bus, making this a fantastic find for vintage VW enthusiasts looking for a dependable ride. That's it for today. If you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep the engine running, keep the wheels turning, and keep the classic cars alive, because legends never die. See you soon.